Hello guys, today I'll show you the magical AI which is absolutely free. You can make any sort of images with this AI. You can make images for your content like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or anything else. And so let's get into it. If you're new in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and let's get started. At first, PicLumen, you have to go to these AI. So going to that website. After that, you are able to see this sort of interface over there. Accept the cookies and launch the app. So you need one Gmail account. You have to log in with that. You are able to see the main interface. Here is the featured images, the inspirations and all the images over there. Those who already made those sort of images. Already I made lots of images with these AI, and let's check it out. What's the features and other stuffs. The first step of the video, let's get a tour of this website. And here the community, you are able to see the previous generation of the images, and here the create. This part is for you. Here is some models. Select the models whichever you want to prefer for your image generation. And here is the upload options. You can upload any sort of images for the reference and consistent characters. And here is the gallery. What you already made, you can just able to see over there. And here are some tools. So more are coming soon, and everything underneath over there, some social media, and here is your profile. If you want to log out, you can log out from here. So here, going to the community, going to the create options. If you provide any sort of prompt over there, you can able to make generation. So we are providing prompt holding a chocolate. You can make the or refine the prompt by the help of the ChatGPT. So going to the ChatGPT and open it up. You can do that with login or without login. So, and telling him modify the prompt and hit the enter. So yeah, now providing over there. Here are some models. At first we are trying the first model, and here is the aspect ratio. Suppose I want to make like a 9:16 ratio, and hit here. That is absolutely fast, and you can make the fastest images and lots of things over there. So nice. Here the cute baby is holding a chocolate in front of a mall. So now let's try something like cartoon type. So going to the ChatGPT again, make a prompt for a cartoon character in the school ground. Fine. If you want to make some story with that AI, you can do that. So here just provide it here, and let's try this. And now I'll change up the aspect ratio like 16:9 and hit that enter button, or you can generate. So you can make the serious things, funny things. Let's try something funny. So here the boy in a school ground. So if you want to make this character consistent, you have to download this one. So I'm downloading this, and after that going to the upload options. Okay, and now we'll modify the prompt, that character inside the classroom. Make that character inside the classroom and doing math class with teacher. Fine. So taking that prompt, we just given here the reference and providing over there. So let's see what they are providing. This character is doing class inside the classroom, and let's see what they are providing. Yeah, math class. We told here the math class, that's why the math in the board. That's fine. Now let's try something funny. So suppose like that, Elon Musk is selling fish in the fish market. Make a prompt. That's fine. Let's see. Okay, let's try this, and I'm making these things into the vertical ratio 9:16 and hit the tick button. Let's see. And now try another funny character like Steve Jobs selling mango in the village market. Fine. Yeah, Elon Musk is selling fish in a fish market. So that fine. Let's try another funny things. Okay, and Stein is selling melon in the village market. Let's try that prompt. Those are funny things. You can make lots of funny things for your social media. Now that is easy to get viral when you are making this sort of funny content and images. So Steve Jobs is selling mango in a village market, and now the Einstein, let's see, Albert Einstein is selling watermelon. Yeah, that's absolutely funny, and you can try this out. That is absolutely free, and lots of models over there. Now try something, the serious issue. Suppose you are a graphic designer and you want to make something serious or graphic resources for you. Suppose I want to make a mock-up of a soda can, and I need a 3D model of the soda can. Hit the enter button. Or you can modify that prompt taking the help of ChatGPT. So modify the, that's fine, modify the prompt. Just modify it. Here is a soda can. Let's try the modify prompt what they are providing. Yeah, that is good. That is good, and you can make easily any sort of mockups. So blank t-shirt mockup. Let's try this one. Suppose gray blank t-shirt. Okay, let's try this prompt. Okay, modify this prompt, and let's try this in this high quality 3D model. The plain gray t-shirt displayed again is the background. That's fine. We are taking this and providing over there and hit the enter button. So if you are a designer, you can able to make these sort of images into the mock-up easily. So that's the unlimited possibilities to grow your creativity and make your endless possibility by this AI. You can try this out. I'll provide the link in my video description. You can do that. You can able to see over there. So this is the high quality images you can make easily, like a mock-up, or you can provide this one to your client. So let's try something realistic type images. So you are able to generate the 10 high total like faster images, and relax is too much faster. I hope so. So amazing, that is amazing, because of you can try these with other things. Suppose Flux AI, let's try the same portrait and same model. Let's try and let's see the differences between their PicLumen and the Flux. So let's see. And here are 6 model. You can try those things like particles and everything. You can try the models. You can try the 3D objects, which is for your images or your design and everything. Here is the Flux model, and let's try the PicLumen realistic and pasting over there. Here is our reference. Let's try. You can explore those things. I'll provide the website link in my video description. You have lots of opportunity, endless possibility to make those things to take in a next level. So let's see what they are providing. Okay, they are providing amazing things. So let's see. Yeah, that is the realistic one. So when you are trying to generate something realistic, you should use the PicLumen, like PicLumen version 2, which is realistic. So yeah, they are able to provide the high-res gem type model with the AI. That's fine. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.